Today's story is about a woman who reached for Jesus in her darkest moment and found healing the moment she touched him. For 12 long years, a woman suffered from a bleeding condition. 12 years of pain. 12 years of weakness. 12 years of doctors, disappointments, and drained hope. She spent everything she had, and instead of getting better, she grew worse. She was isolated. She was considered unclean. She felt forgotten, but deep inside her heart, a small spark of faith remained. One day she heard that Jesus was passing through her town. Crowds pressed around him from every side. But this woman said to herself, "If I can just touch the hem of his garment, I will be healed." Weak but determined, she pushed through the crowd. She reached through the people, stretched out her hand, and touched the edge of Jesus' robe. Instantly, the bleeding stopped. Her strength returned. Her pain vanished. Jesus stopped and said, "Who touched me?" The disciples were confused. "Lord, the crowd is pressing all around you." But Jesus said, "No, someone touched me with faith." The woman came trembling and fell before him. She admitted everything. Jesus looked at her with compassion and said, "Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace." This story reminds us, when people forget you, Jesus sees you. When doctors can't fix it, Jesus can. When you feel weak, faith connects you to his strength. A single touch of Jesus can change everything. No matter what you're facing today, sickness, fear, anxiety, or emotional pain, reach out to Jesus with faith. He still heals. He still restores. He still responds to those who reach for him. If this story encouraged you, please like and subscribe for more Bible stories.